On August 6th, 2021, I made the biggest move of my life. I asked the woman I love to be my wife. I've been planning this moment for ages, but anxiety prevented me from making the step. As you know, I bought a drone, and I would have been posting videos on YouTube of me droning all across Jamaica. But I bought that drone just for this moment. I wanted to have it captured for decades to come. Over the past several months, I've been taking her on small picnic dates and synchronizing those dates with droning sessions. This was all practice for the big day. I did not want her to expect a thing. Now, life does not conform itself to our plans, and unfortunately, her grandmother died before I could find the courage to propose. I remember the only thing her grandmother ever said to me was, "Take care of her." I gave confirmation in the affirmative, and I'm proud to say I kept my word. After the funeral had passed, she was still in Portland for a few days, and I thought, time waits for no man. This was not the fanciest location or the biggest date I had in mind, but I had to make a move now. I took her to a place that her grandmother was buried, as if I was only there to pick fruits, which we did. I also did some test flights with my drone, and I saw a nice location at the beach where every knee shall bow and every tongue confess. And I did confess. I pretended that I was about to take some drone shots of us, which I did, but only before allowing the drone to capture a 360-degree shot of the moment. I got on one knee, pulled out the ring, and recited a poem that I totally messed up. But after all we've been through, she said yes. And so, our story begins.